Hello? Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't believe it. I gotta go.
Yeah?
Frank,
Yeah.
you're not gonna believe this.
What?
We found her. We found the chicken.
Surely you can't be serious.
Of course I'm serious. And don't call me Shirley.
I have to see this.
You gotta see it to believe it. She's there. Feathers and all.
Are you being serious?
You know I am. I don't like to joke about such things.
There is no joking. Big chicken, know that you will always be with us. You will always stay with us. We will take good care of you and win the Hot Wing contest again on April 18th, 2025.